Hello everyone, today I'm going to quickly show you how to fix the problem of Dota 2 freeze lag. So let's get started. For the first step, you need to go to the Windows taskbar, right click and then select Task Manager. After that, the search bar, search for Steam, and now make sure to end task for every server or application is running right here by selecting each one and then right click and select end task. Now after that, make sure to deselect anything in the search bar and ensure that you have less than 100% of memory right here in order to avoid any type of drop frame or lag. For the next method, go to the Steam launcher. After that, go to library and then select collections. From here in the left, make sure to search for Dota 2. Once you select it, you just need to go to the gear icon, which is manage. After that, select properties. Now this tab will pop up. All you need to do is to go to installed files in the left menu. After that, select verify integrity of game files. That way, any missing or corrupted files that is responsible for the drop frame or the freeze of the game will be fixed and the error should be gone. You just need to wait for this process to finish. After that, go to the upside arrow in the Windows taskbar and then select Steam. Right click, after that select and exit Steam. Now for the next method, go to the Windows search bar, search for NVIDIA, make sure to open NVIDIA app. After that, go to drivers in the left menu and make sure you have already installed the latest update compatible with your graphics card. You should see the reinstall button right here. If it's displayed like this, you should be good to go. And that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe and see you in the next one.